Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Nissan Altima tail light, updated. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake for safety. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to cut power and prevent sparks. Gather a socket set, trim tool, and replacement bulb or assembly. Keep a clean towel to rest components and protect painted surfaces. Work methodically to avoid dropping screws and organize fasteners for easy remove the trunk trim or cargo liner to access the tail light area without forcing plastic panels. Use a trim tool to gently pry out clips and remove any foam pads hiding fasteners. Locate and remove the mounting bolts securing the tail light assembly with the appropriate socket. Support the assembly with one hand while loosening bolts to prevent dropping it. Slide the light straight out to access the bulb and wiring harness behind it. With the assembly free, disconnect the wiring harness by depressing its tab and pulling gently to avoid damaging the connector. For a bulb swap, twist the bulb socket counterclockwise and replace it with the correct type, ensuring the new bulb seats firmly. If the housing is cracked, replace the entire assembly and secure it with the original bolts. Reconnect the battery and test brake, turn, and reverse functions before reinstalling trim and clips.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.